Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite on your iPhone in any country. You can do this if you're in like Canada, like Mexico, Jamaica, any country, bro. All right. So first thing you need to change. You need to go to your top right, press on your name, and then you need to change your country/region to United States. All right. And then after you're done that, you need to you could just search up Fortnite, and you could press get. And yeah, you basically got Fortnite now. That's pretty simple. All right. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.